Stop scrolling. If you feel like your brain has been hijacked by a heavy gray fog that you just can't shake, it is not a lack of willpower. It is a biological shutdown of your neural pathways. Recent breakthroughs in neuroscience have revealed that depression is not just a feeling, it is a physical state of brain inflammation and synaptic disconnection. Today, we are breaking down the 10 most effective, science-backed protocols to rewire your brain and reclaim your life. This is the ultimate guide to clinical and holistic recovery. Understanding the types of depression is critical for the right treatment. Whether you are dealing with major depressive disorder, persistent depressive disorder, or treatment-resistant depression, the goal is the same: restoring neuroplasticity. 1. Targeted neurostimulation. Modern psychiatry has moved beyond just pills. Transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, uses magnetic fields to stimulate underactive nerve cells in the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. It is non-invasive and highly effective for those who haven't seen results from medication. 2. Glutamate regulation. While traditional SSRIs focus on serotonin, new treatments like esketamine work on glutamate, the brain's most abundant excitatory neurotransmitter. This can trigger synaptogenesis, literally regrowing the connections between your neurons in as little as 24 hours. 3. The anti-inflammatory protocol. Chronic inflammation in the body leads to neuroinflammation. High-dose omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA, and a low glycemic diet can reduce the cytokine load that keeps your brain in a sickness behavior loop. 4. Strategic supplementation. Consider magnesium threonate, which is the only form of magnesium that effectively crosses the blood-brain barrier to enhance synaptic plasticity, or vitamin D3 with K2 to regulate gene expression related to dopamine synthesis. Before we dive into the next 6 vital steps, if this information is shifting your perspective, subscribe to this channel right now and join our community of proactive mental health. Please share your own story in the comments below. Your journey could be the light someone else needs today. Send this video to a friend who needs to hear that there is a biological way out. Let's get back to the protocols. 5. Zone 2 cardio and BDNF. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor is like Miracle-Gro for your brain. Consistent, low-intensity aerobic exercise increases BDNF levels, helping your hippocampus, the area responsible for emotional regulation, to actually increase in volume. 6. Circadian rhythm alignment. Your neurotransmitters are slave to your internal clock. Getting direct sunlight into your retinas within 30 minutes of waking up sets your cortisol and melatonin cycles, which are foundational for stabilizing mood swings. 7. Cold water exposure. Brief exposure to cold water triggers a massive release of norepinephrine and dopamine. This isn't just about toughness, it is about a pharmaceutical-grade chemical spike that improves focus and resilience for hours. 8. Microbiome reconstruction. The gut-brain axis is real. 90% of your body's serotonin is produced in the gut. Using high-quality probiotics and fermented foods helps repair the vagus nerve communication, reducing signals of anxiety and despair. 9. Cognitive behavioral therapy and rewiring. While biology is key, your thoughts create the tracks your brain runs on. CBT helps identify the cognitive distortions that trigger the stress response, allowing you to manually override depressive neural loops. 10. Social connection and oxytocin. Isolation is a pro-inflammatory state. Meaningful social interaction releases oxytocin, which directly counteracts the toxic effects of cortisol on the brain. Depression is a complex physiological condition, but it is treatable. By combining clinical technology with radical lifestyle shifts, you can move from a state of survival to a state of thriving. Start with one step today. Your brain has the capacity to change. It is time to start the rewrite.